What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding 2009 Porsche Cayman. We got this Porsche with the left side quarter panel damage, so everything's replaced, painted, and ready to go, so we can start putting everything together. If you guys haven't seen the other episodes, I'll put everything down in the description so you guys can check it out and be up to date. Us replacing the quarter panel all the way to this point. And this is what the car looks like currently. Everything is painted and ready to go. So I'll start putting everything back together. We'll get this car ready for wash, detail, and delivery. Let's go. I got the Porsche inside of the shop, so we can start putting it back together. We're gonna start with the door. I'm gonna install the mirror, the molding, the door handle, put the door completely together and work our way to the back. Install the side glass, the molding, put everything inside of the trunk. Then for the final, we'll install the bumper. So that's the little plan, so let's go. And also, if you guys are new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn your bell notification, because we post new videos every week, new video. And don't forget to like this video as well. Now let's get to work. That's it, just put the door together, so we're done with the door. Next I'm gonna install the molding and then the side glass and start putting everything together as well. Should be fun. So I just cleaned the interior, vacuumed the trunk space, so everything is clean, so we could start installing the interior. This is what it looks like. Everything is clean and ready to go. So let's start installing. Hopefully I remember where everything goes. Of course I remember. A lot of you guys ask, how do I remember? I guess just years of experience. I've been doing this since 16 years old pretty much. So it's just kind of like a Lego, you know. Once you do so many of them, the rest it just flows together. So this is where we at, and especially when I take something apart, I don't know, I guess I got a memory vision where I kind of know where everything goes. So all right, let's wrap this thing up and we'll go from there. So we're gonna start off with this pocket. This was the first thing that I removed. Something like this. Then we gotta install this piece next. First thing, gotta connect the speaker. I think I gotta put this piece first. Yeah, this piece gotta go first. And now this piece goes in there. Gotta put this wire through. Now we can install this piece. We could install this piece. That's it, just put the trunk completely together, so we're done with the interior. Came out clean, like nothing happened. Just needs a good detail and that's it. So for now, we're just waiting for the rear bumper. We got a new rear bumper, so once that comes in, we'll paint it, install it, and it's a wrap. So hopefully in the next couple of days, we'll get the bumper. We're back in the Porsche, finally got the rest of the parts. I don't know what happened, but it took forever to get the last 3 parts. Usually it's pretty quick, but this time it took forever. And I was waiting for the side bracket, and then the exhaust muffler is bent on the corner. So those are the 2 things we're waiting. And we already got the bumper, and I showed you guys the bumper. So it's painted, I put everything together, so we're ready to start installing as well. And here's the bumper, brand new bumper. So right now we'll replace the exhaust, install the side bracket, and we'll finalize everything with the rear bumper. And I also already installed a brand new rear wheel and tire, because the other one was damaged. I didn't record doing this, but we got a brand new wheel and tire. So let's finalize everything and get this car ready for wash, detail, and delivery. Let's go. And here's the damage from the shock that pushed against the exhaust. So nothing too crazy, just a little bend, but still we're gonna replace it so the car will be perfect. No shortcuts up here. Everything what's damaged needs to be replaced. And it should be pretty easy for the most part. Just got a couple bolts right here, and then a few bolts on the sides, and it should come off. Oh, what? Just found a quarter. It got stuck in the exhaust. That's so cool. 2006, Nevada. Guess it's a lucky quarter. That's first time it got like, became like yellow from exhaust being so hot. See? Something new every day. And in order to remove the last bolt over there, luckily I have this ratchet that could go sideways, but that's the only way to get in there. Wow, crazy design. Luckily we got some good tools. Craftsman. Big shout out to you guys. Maybe I should get sponsored by them too. It's like that, baby steps. Just removed the old one, so now we could install the new one. Okay, we're ready to start installing this bad boy. Perfect, now we could secure it. So I just installed the exhaust, so we're all finished with the exhaust. Next we'll install the side bumper bracket, and then for the final, the bumper. That's a lot better. So just put the back end completely together. So next what I want to do, I want to remove the headlights from the front. We're gonna re-clear them. They're a little yellow right now, so we want to make them look like brand new. Check out the headlights. Wow, what a transformation. See what little clear does? It'll make the whole car look a lot better. Took an hour to do this, but it's gonna be the biggest difference ever. And the best part about Porsche, that you don't have to remove anything. They just pop out and that's it. So let's install them, and the car is pretty much finished. We'll pull it out and get it ready for wash, detail, and delivery. Let's go. And then the best part, they just slide in. Boom, and they're ready. And that's it, we're finished with front end. And I love those headlights. Once you hear that clicking, that means they're locked and ready to go. For the final, we're gonna do a quick alignment and then get the car ready for a wash, detail, and delivery. Let's go.
Exotic Lamborghinis and Porsches and Ferraris and all that crap.
Junk.
Give me a plaid.
Oh, he fell in love with the plaid.
With a plaid.
Plaid with the plaid. Porsche is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Wow, came out beautiful, like nothing ever happened. So let's do a quick walk around and see exactly what we did. We'll start with the front end. Front end, we re-cleared the headlights. They were yellow and now they look like brand new. And then the car came with the left side collision, front door, quarter panel, and suspension. We repaired the front door, replaced the quarter panel, replaced the suspension, got a new wheel and tire, replaced the rear bumper, and replaced the tail light. So everything brand new from the dealer, and we did 3 steps polish to make it look like brand new, so it's shining bright like a diamond. And we also did complete interior detail. Check it out, look how beautiful that looks. So we're officially done with this build. Another happy customer. He said the car looks better than he bought it 7 years ago, and I love that phrase. So thank you guys once again for watching this build. If you guys missed part 1 through 3, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out and be up to date. So thank you guys once again for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!